55% of small business owners are already using AI tools to help with their marketing tasks, according to a recent survey of 1,000 small business owners. Digital marketing isn't just evolving, it's being completely rewritten. AI has changed the game, platforms are shifting, audiences are behaving differently, and if your marketing strategy still looks like it did 3 years ago, it's already out of date. I'm Anson Alexander, and if you've seen my LinkedIn Learning courses, you'll know that I've spent the last decade reviewing, testing, and teaching digital marketing tools that work. Marketing shouldn't be about beta testing dozens of platforms. It should be using the ones that actually work to reach people. So here's the truth about digital marketing in today's climate and how you can leverage it. Let's start with what still matters most: your audience. The platforms may have changed, the algorithms certainly have, but the core of digital marketing, knowing who you're talking to and how they behave online, hasn't changed at all. Unfortunately, this is also where a lot of campaigns fall short. For example, have you thought about starting a podcast or at least advertising in front of one? Podcast listeners are extremely loyal, well-educated, have an average income of over $75,000, and the podcast market still has pretty low competition. It's almost an untapped market. One problem that I often see is marketers trying to be everywhere. They create for every channel, and they feel like engagement on one channel is the same as engagement on another channel, which is rarely true. TikTok users behave differently than YouTube users. Instagram stories don't work like LinkedIn posts. And a Facebook audience looking to reconnect with family is not the same as someone Googling for a service that they need right now. More than ever, success starts by being detailed and thorough when defining an audience, and not just who they are, but how they behave online. This makes it much easier to get your message in front of them without wasting time and budget. Use data, use analytics, use social listening, get inside their mindset, and then and only then should you start to build your campaign out further. Here are some trusted tools to help you get started. Spark Toro is ideal for small teams or solo creators looking to learn more about their audience. Created by marketing veteran Rand Fishkin, it helps you quickly discover where your niche audience hangs out online, whether that's listening to podcasts, reading blogs, watching YouTube, you name it. For larger organizations, Global Web Index, or GWI, is the go-to audience tool. It's used by major agencies and brands and provides deep demographic and psychographic insight alongside high-level reports on global internet behavior. It's not cheap, but it's certainly a powerhouse. Nearly as important as knowing your audience, delivering the right message should be your second priority. And here's the truth: most messaging on social media nowadays is really just a lot of noise. Generic taglines, overused hooks, content written for algorithms instead of humans. It doesn't work anymore. It might even get the click, but it won't get the customer. The average person needs 11.1 touch points before making a purchase, up from just 8.5 a few years ago. Real messaging in today's world is platform-specific, emotionally intelligent, and crystal clear. You need to speak your audience's language, not your own. On TikTok, that means fast, raw, and relatable. On YouTube, it means long-form, structured, and story-driven. In email, it means relevant, personal, and respectful of time. Google may still drive most ad revenue, but platforms like Instagram and Amazon now see billions of searches daily. Users are also much less likely to click on ads in Google search than they were years ago, so you should adjust your campaigns accordingly. If your messaging isn't resonating, it's not a content issue, it's a connection issue, and stuffing that with more content isn't going to fix it, but gaining more insight into your audience will. So when it comes to messaging tools, I recommend Lavender for smaller teams. It integrates with your inbox to help you improve tone and clarity in real time, and uses AI to boost reply rates without sounding robotic. It's simple, smart, and actually sounds human. Persado is an industry-leading messaging tool for enterprise marketers. It uses AI trained on years of campaign data to test emotional language, power words, and calls to action. It's ideal for larger teams that are running high-volume messaging and ad campaigns, and it's also worth noting that it's used by some big players like American Express and Dell. Now, once you know your audience and speak their language, your third priority should be reviewing and optimizing your digital marketing tool stack, the area of digital marketing that's become bloated, confusing, and oftentimes overhyped. There's a new AI tool or software as a service platform launching every week, And every one of them promises to save time, boost ROI, or create content for you. But the truth is, most of them won't work. It'll cost you time, money, and focus, and probably just give you some cookie-cutter content in return. Your tools should serve your strategy, not replace it. Some tools like Intercom or Salesforce's Agentforce do use AI to enhance customer experiences. I'm definitely not against using AI. You will have to use AI in today's environment. But the key is smart integration, not total automation. The best marketers today don't chase every AI app. They curate their tech stack intentionally. They're cutting out the noise, reducing the tools that they use, and they're focusing on the solutions that directly address the bottlenecks for their particular situation. If your underlying foundation is weak, no tool, AI or otherwise, is going to fix it. Here are some tools that are proven, consistent, and actually worth your time. For content and SEO, Google Trends is great for finding trending topics and developing content ideas. Jasper has been one of the top AI writing tools for years. It's great for teams who want to scale brand consistent content with tone controls, workflows, and integrations. ChatGPT is fast, flexible, and great for ideation or rough drafts. You can use it for outlines, rephrasing, or just repurposing your existing content. Surfer SEO connects directly with tools like Jasper and helps ensure your blog posts and landing pages are structured for ranking. It has real-time scoring based on top-performing pages. For visuals, Canva is effective and easy to use. It now includes AI-generated content and layout suggestions, and it's still best in class for helping non-designers create professional-looking graphics. Midjourney is ideal if you're creating high-end visuals or campaign artwork. It's used by creative teams and even design agencies for everything from thumbnails to product mockups. For email and CRM, Brevo, which used to be called Sendinblue, is a great choice for small businesses who want email marketing, SMS, and automation in one affordable package. ActiveCampaign, which is trusted by thousands of growing brands, is better for larger teams that want advanced segmentation, A/B testing, and some robust CRM capabilities. For social scheduling and engagement, Metricool is efficient and clean with everything you need for scheduling, reporting, and simple engagement. It's great for solo creators or lean teams. Sprout Social is the enterprise-ready solution. You guys have seen me talk about it on LinkedIn Learning. It's been around for a really long time. It can certainly be trusted. The UI is polished, the reporting is strong, and it's definitely ideal for teams that are managing multiple brands or clients. For analytics, Google Analytics 4 is the industry standard. It takes more time to learn than the old version, but if you master it, there's no better source of real raw data on the internet. And please do yourself a favor and avoid chasing every new AI tool that hits the market. Choose your tools wisely, keep it lean, and learn them well. Audience, messaging, slim tool stack. Focusing on these 3 areas will bring clarity to your digital marketing endeavors. And remember, the marketers who win in today's world are the ones who stay focused. They know exactly who they're talking to, they speak clearly, authentically, and natively, and they just use a handful of tools that truly move the needle. Everything else is optional, or even oftentimes a distraction. Simplify your focus and your results will follow. I hope this gave you a clearer picture of what actually matters and what you can avoid worrying about. And please let me know in the comments section, what is the one tool in your tool stack that's worth every penny and that you couldn't do without? I'd love to hear it. By the way, if you're a regular subscriber, I know that this isn't the type of content that I usually post to this channel, so I appreciate you watching it anyways. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're coming from LinkedIn Learning or just somewhere else, welcome to the channel. I still plan on posting my regular tech content here, but I'm definitely going to sprinkle in a lot of the digital marketing content, the same type of stuff that I usually do courses for on LinkedIn Learning. So if you're interested in seeing more of that content, don't forget to subscribe. That's all I have for you for today. I'm Anson Alexander. I wish you the most success in your next campaign, and I'll see you in the next video.